Ready to break free from centralized exchanges and take full control of your Solana-based crypto? First, fire up your Crypto.com app and tap the transfer button, usually found on the home screen or in your accounts section. Next, select Withdraw and then choose External Wallet since you're sending crypto to Phantom, which is outside of the Crypto.com ecosystem. Now, let's grab your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom app and copy your public address. This is like your account number and is where Crypto.com will send your crypto. Back in the Crypto.com app, paste that Phantom wallet address into the wallet address field, double-checking for any typos. Even a small mistake can cause you to lose your funds. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, likely Solana Sol, or any other SPL token you hold on Crypto.com compatible with Phantom. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the address, amount, and any network fees, and confirm that everything is accurate. Crypto.com will likely prompt you for a security verification step, using either two-factor authentication or an email confirmation code. So complete the process to authorize the transaction. In just a few minutes, your crypto will arrive in your Phantom wallet, and you'll see a notification within the Phantom app showcasing your updated balance. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your crypto.